Beginner makeup tips every woman should know. Skip the primer and just opt for a really hydrating moisturizer. To get that glow from within, apply a radiance booster. Something like this e.l.f. Halo Glow. I also use the Lumi Glow Lotion from L'Oreal. You just have to apply a little bit and then you can blend it in with your fingers. The same concealer that you use under your eyes, take it and put a little bit on the top of your eyes. You can just blend this out with your finger, but it's gonna make your eyeshadow last all day, and it's also gonna make your eyeshadow pop. When blending out your foundation, use a brush. It will change your life. When you're blending in your foundation, don't put it right underneath your eyes. You want the least amount of products underneath your eyes so you reduce the risk of creasing. If you're looking for just a light coverage for concealer, using your fingers works great. You do not need expensive products to make your makeup look amazing. It's more about the application, not the products. When blending out your contour, go up towards the top of your ear, never pull back. Same with blush. You want to make sure this is going in an upward angle towards the temple. This e.l.f. highlighter is $3 and it works just as good as a $70 highlighter. Put your highlighter on the top of your cheekbones. Bringing a little bit down onto the apple of the cheek will make you look really youthful and healthy, because when you smile, your cheeks are going to light up. I can't say this enough, but curl your lashes. When you're curling your lashes, you're going to go in, pinch right at the base, hold that pinch, and start to pump. Comment below if you want more beginner makeup tips.